Hello, guys. We are back to the Metaverse Saga Zero week 6. In the past videos, I've made for week 3, week 4, week 5, and today I'm going to be sharing week 6 with us. So, there are 5 objectives per week, and inside within the 5 objectives, there are missions to complete. So you can see here, if you're just seeing my channel for the first time, you can see here objectives 0/5. So now we'll have to start going through them and racking those credits and boosters. Okay, so prior to this video, I've already connected my Twitter, my Discord, everything is connected the to this DApp, to this Metaverse HQ DApp. So more like every interaction is automated now. So let's hit on and continue. So you like the tweet, you can see once you do it, it completes by itself, completed. We'll go to retweet, we retweet, reply to a tweet, you click on reply, it takes you off to X. So what comment are we going to make? What comment are we going to make? Like I used to say, just make a positive comment. Once you've sent your reply, you can go back and wait for 5 seconds and you verify your reply. Now, there is mission to complete for 300 credit and 0.6x boost. So we hit for the mission. We need to complete it. So in this fantasy top faction reward, you have 10 objectives for a 20x credit, for your 20x credit for HQ airdrop. So let's keep on with the tasks. Reply to a tweet. So you go back, you verify the reply. Let's do it again. You go to this, you like, you retweet, you reply again to a new to another post. You head back and wait for 5 seconds and verify. Just click the link. So let's join the Fantasy Top Discord. Let's get in. Let me search for. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do now. I will just add it manually. Join a server, Fantasy Top. So in case you want to join the server and it doesn't go through, just manually add Fantasy Top. Join server. You can just select. You can just make one selection. That's good to go. You can make two. Verify. So I'll just be quick, but I wouldn't be going through all this. I'll just have to um, show you the part you do your verification. So once you've completed your verification, this is an elephant. So elephant, I'm verified. So I just head back to here and verify membership of the Discord. Once I'm verified member, I go to my wallet and copy my address and register. Now it's completed. So I can easily head back to here. You see, verify completion. Now I click on verify completion. It's completed. So you go to the next mission, you view mission. Now we go ahead and do the complete this OKX fashion task for a 50x, which is very huge. 50x is huge. 50 50x is huge. So we go back here. We've verified the reply. We verify again. So we go back to liking to it. Retweet. Reply. Hmm. Okay, so wait for a while. 5 seconds. You verify. Visit. Okay, Echo Hub. So it's automatically marked completed. Now download the OKS extension and the extension. So this is going to take a while. To add the extension is going to take a while. The OKX extension, you can see it here. I've downloaded it and I've created my wallet. So if you are new to this space, remember while creating your wallet, you need to write down the 12 seed phrase, the 12 word seed phrase. All right. So verify OK wallet is installed. Okay, since I've installed, I need to reload this page. So I reload the page. After reloading the page, I go back to that task and verify OK wallet is installed. Objective has been completed. Now I go back and copy my address and I register. This has been completed. Now I go back to this and verify completion. As you can see, I have objectives 5/5. I have now completed the week 6 Saga Zero objective. This will continue for the next 2 weeks. So we'll have week 7 and week 8. Then we wait for further announcements from MetaverseHQ team. So while you enjoyed this video, please do well to give a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.